Hi, I'm Chris from MG Spares. Now I'm standing in our workshop compound here in front of this beautiful 2009 anniversary MGTF. Now you might not know, these cars handled superbly well. They had an uprated front and rear anti-roll bar and these suspension units. Now this vehicle was an iteration of the MGTF developed by Rover, and originally the suspension engineers wanted to fit these higher quality suspension damper units with the uprated coil springs, but they were vetoed. They'd already spent a truck full of money on the development of the car, so they went with a lesser quality damper. And unfortunately that meant for the MG Rover built TF, they always suffered from a slightly jittery and overly harsh ride. But that can change now, because MG Spares is pleased to offer the original specification uprated soft dampers available for all the MGTF models from 2002 right through to these later 2009 to 2011 built TFs. So we keep them in stock on the shelf, supplied with pins and bushes for a direct replacement.